This DEWALT 168-piece mechanic set covers most common automotive and household repair tasks with a well-balanced mix of sockets, wrenches, hex keys, and specialty pieces. The 3-pair head ratchets feel solid in hand and use a fine-tooth mechanism that lets you turn fasteners in cramped spaces with only a small swing of the handle. Sockets and wrenches use a design that grips the flats of fasteners rather than the corners, which helps avoid rounding and makes stubborn bolts easier to break loose. The tools have a full polish chrome finish that resists corrosion and wipes clean quickly, so they hold up well in a garage or job site environment. Each piece is clearly marked and organized in a sturdy case with metal latches, making it easy to spot the size you need and keep the set together during transport. An anti-slip driver handle and comfortable tool shapes reduce hand fatigue during longer jobs, which makes this set practical for frequent do-it-yourself work or light professional use.